Tools required: wood router, scissors, tape measure, scribe, spirit level, solvent resistant paintbrush, silicone roller, penny roller. Materials required: lead flashing, 6-inch cured cover tape, EPDM primer. Use a wood router to route the edge of the roof surface board to 40 mm wide by 2 to 3 mm deep, ready to accept the lead flashing. Ensure the piece of lead flashing is flat and smooth. Position the lead flashing in the routed out section along the roof surface and onto the pitched roof tiles. Hammer aluminium clout nails along the upper edge of the lead flashing to fix it to the roof surface board. Use a lead dresser or lead beater tool to flatten the edges of the lead flashing. Use sharp scissors to cut the 6-inch, which is 150 mm, cured cover tape to the correct length. Use a tape measure to measure 85 mm from the join into the lead flashing. Mark this point with a scribe. From the join, use a tape measure to measure 85 mm into the membrane. Mark this point with a scribe. Re-follow these steps at the other end of the membrane and lead flashing. Use the straight edge of a spirit level and a scribe to mark an 85 mm prime line along the edge of the membrane. Use the straight edge of a spirit level and a scribe to mark an 85 mm prime line along the edge of the lead flashing. Use a paintbrush to apply EPDM primer along the membrane and flashing edges, covering the area between the previously marked 85 mm prime lines. Wait for EPDM primer to be touch dry. Lay the 6-inch cured cover tape onto the primer, making sure it's straight. Peel off a length of backing tape and curl it under the tape, keeping it straight. Press the exposed tape onto the primer, pull more backing tape away and, following along, press the tape onto the primer until you have completed the full length of tape. Use a silicone roller to apply pressure along the uncured cover tape. Use a penny roller to apply extra pressure along the very edges of the uncured cover tape.